Nairobi is one of the best places in Kenya to start a business because every year, thousands of people move to Nairobi looking for better opportunities. Some come to look for jobs, while others come to start businesses, though the competition is high. But Nairobi still has many opportunities for people who are willing to work hard and think differently. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with us some of the best opportunities in Nairobi, why they are growing, how much you need, and the challenges that you should expect. So if you've been thinking of moving to Nairobi or starting a business there, keep watching. Before we dive into the main business of this video, if you are new here, you are welcome. On this channel, we talk about business ideas, side hustles, and money-making opportunities. If that is your kind of content, go ahead and like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Now, let's proceed. Let's start with one of the biggest opportunity, food delivery and catering business. This one is the biggest opportunity, food. Nairobi is a city that never sleeps. People leave their homes early and they return very late. Many employees, university students, or even the business owners, they do not have time to cook at their homes. That is why food business will continue to thrive. You can start selling homemade lunch, delivering food to offices, running a catering business for events, selling snacks like samosas, chapatis, mandazis, and even the sausages, and even preparing healthy meals for busy professionals. The amount of money that you need to start this business depends on the size of your business. Do you want to start small or big? With as little as 20,000 to 50,000 Kenyan shillings, you can begin on a small scale. The secret to success in this business is very simple. Just cook good food, maintain cleanliness, maintain fair prices, and then have a reliable delivery, and that's it. However, competition is stiff, so you need to stand out. The second opportunity is laundry and cleaning services. Think about it. Many people living in the estates, like the likes of Kilimani, South B, South C, they work for long hours, and that's for sure. So after spending a whole week at work, the last thing they want to do is to wash clothes and clean their houses. This creates a huge business opportunity. So you can offer laundry services, house cleaning, office cleaning, carpet cleaning, sofa set cleaning, and even move in and move out cleaning. Are we together? The good thing about this business is that you do not need a lot of money to start. In the beginning, you can use simple cleaning equipments, and then you upgrade later as you gain customers. Again, customer referrals are very powerful in this business because one happy client can bring you many more customers. Another business opportunity that is growing rapidly in Nairobi is online business and e-commerce. Nowadays, people are buying almost everything online, from the clothes, shoes, electronics, cosmetics, furniture, and even groceries. You do not necessarily need a physical shop. You can sell your products through TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, WhatsApp status, or even your own website. You can either stock products or use the drop shipping method, where the supplier ship products directly to customers. The biggest challenge in this business is building trust, because here, customers want sellers who deliver products quickly and what they promised, not what I ordered versus what. It is always what I ordered versus what. Have you ever heard of people who say what I ordered versus what I received? Yes. Deliver what you promised so that you can gain trust. The fourth opportunity here is digital services. If you have a skill, Nairobi offers endless opportunities. Thousands of businesses want to grow online, but they don't know how. So some of the services that you can offer include video editing, graphic design, social media management, website design, photography. You can even do copywriting, content creation, and even virtual assistant. The beauty of digital products is that they do not need a physical shop or an expensive equipment to begin. With just a laptop, internet connection, and the right skill, you can earn money from clients both inside Kenya and outside Kenya. And because more businesses are moving online, the demand of these services are increasing every year. The next business is about the beauty and personal care business. The beauty industry in Nairobi is booming. People spend money every month on hairstyling, barber services, makeup, nails, skincare, wigs, and even the eyelashes. Even during difficult economic times, many people still budget for beauty services. I guess no one wants to look like their problems. If you do not have enough capital to rent a shop, you can start as a mobile service provider and visit customers at their homes. One thing that makes this business successful is consistency. Because customers, they usually return to service providers that they truly trust. The sixth business here is the fresh produce supply business. People may stop buying luxury items, but they will never stop eating, no matter what. That is why supplying fresh produce still remains a strong business opportunity. You can supply fruits, vegetables, milk, eggs, meat, and even cereals. And your target customers can include the hotels, schools, restaurants, grocery shops, and even families. Yes, families. Don't forget about the families. Many successful suppliers here, they buy products in bulk from the wholesalers market and then they resell them at a profit. The biggest challenge here is dealing with perishable goods. So proper planning is very important. You don't want to see a case where you are going to be throwing all your goods that they went bad, so that you don't make losses. The next business opportunity is Airbnb and the property management. Tourism and business travel. They have made Airbnb apartments very popular in Nairobi. Visitors, they prefer Airbnbs because it is often cheaper and more comfortable than the hotels. So there are several ways that you can enter this business. First, you can own an apartment and rent it out. Second, you can manage apartments for the landlords. And then the third, you can offer cleaning services to the Airbnb hosts. Lastly, you can handle bookings and customer service. Although the profit can be good, but this business, it requires proper research because some areas can perform better than others. You've been watching this video till this far and you've not even liked it. What are you waiting for? Kindly give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you. The eighth business is the transport and logistics. Nairobi's transport and delivery services continue to grow, and that is for sure. The rise of online shopping, it has created demand for people who can transport goods quickly. So you can make money through motorcycle delivery, courier services, parcel transportation, moving services, and even truck and pickup hire. Even if you do not own a vehicle, you can start by connecting businesses with transport providers and earn a commission. 9 in the list is the event planning business. Nairobi is notorious of hosting weddings, birthdays, corporate meetings, graduations, and many other events every week. And because of this, event planning can be a profitable business. The services that you can offer here include event decoration, tent and chair hire, photography, sound system, and catering coordination. Networking is very important in this business because the customers here, they often come through referrals. The 10th business here is the childcare and daycare business. As more parents are working full-time job, the demand for daycare services is also increasing. Parents are willing to pay for safe and clean places where their children can stay during the day. So you can start small from home, then you expand over time. Trust is everything in this business, and so professionalism and safety should come first. Nairobi has opportunities everywhere, but success does not come automatically. So before starting any business, ask yourself these questions. Who are my customers? Is there demand? How much capital do I need? What problem am I solving? And what makes my business different? Remember, some people come to Nairobi and struggle, while others build successful business. The difference here is often preparation, patience, and consistency. Now, I want to hear from you. If someone gave you 100,000 Kenyan shillings today, which of these businesses in Nairobi will you start? Let us know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more business ideas and money-making opportunities. Watch this next video if you have 1 million Kenyan shillings and you don't know what to do with it. 9 smart businesses that you can start with 1 million Kenyan shillings. Thank me later. Bye-bye and cheers. See you in the next video.